The middle class in this country, for the longest, have been bystanders in the electoral process. The professionals, the bank managers, the lawyers, everybody, they stay at home and wait for other Kenyans to go and vote. They go to play golf, they watch TV, they read novels, they just are just looking. But when things go wrong in this country like it has happened today, they are the greatest victim. Ruto has destroyed our middle class. The payslip holders have been ruined completely. Businesses are not moving. Pending bills have not been paid. The middle class is destroyed. They are just crying at home. And when you destroy the middle class, you destroy the Kenya's economy, because they are the drivers of our economy. I want to make a passionate appeal to our professionals, the payslip holders, the middle class, the bourgeois, that you cannot stay at home and wait for the rest of Kenyans to bring meaningful change. You must be part of this transformation. Because when things go well, when there is good governance, you are the greatest beneficiaries, because you are the drivers of our economy. When things go south like they have gone, the middle class is incapacitated. I want to talk to the middle class today and tell them, just like we have asked the Gen Zs, the middle class must lead by example. They must go and register as voters and turn out to vote on the voting day. And if they don't, they should not sit by and cry that things are not working in this country.